Hi, Dash from KeyCommerce here. In this video, I'm going to explain the different permissions and access levels in Google Ads, which allow you to maintain the security of your account and control what each user can do. There are 5 access levels: email only, billing, read only, standard, and admin. Let's go through each one. The email only option has a very basic access to the account and only receives data and reports via email. This level is less hands-on, but suitable for anyone who needs to monitor the advertising performance. A user with billing access has similar restrictions, but they have the ability to view and edit the billing information, run or edit billing reports, and manage payments. They can also adjust the details in the payments profile, such as billing address, tax information, and language preferences. Additionally, billing users can switch between manual and automatic payments and adjust the payment threshold as needed. Next, let's take a look at the read-only user. These users can receive notification emails and reports, view campaigns, ad groups and performance, and billing data, but they can't make any changes to the account. This access level is ideal for those who only need to view the account. A user with standard access comes with all the viewing access you would get on a read-only user, but is also able to manage campaigns and create ads. They have limited access to some billing features on the account, but what they can't do is make any changes to the account settings or make any changes to the users on the account. Finally, the admin access level is the one that essentially has full control over the account. Someone with the admin access can do everything that all the other users can, but they can also add or remove other users, manage the account billing, and make any top-level changes to the account. Now that you understand the different levels of access, I'm going to show you how to add users to your Google Ads account. From your Google Ads dashboard, click on Admin, then Access and Security, and finally, make sure that you're on the Users tab. You can add a new user to your account by clicking on the Add button and entering their email address. If you want to give them access for a specific time frame only, you can choose the dates here or just select Never. You can also assign the appropriate access level here, based on the role that you need them to have. The invite will show as pending until they accept it. You can also cancel an invitation here by clicking on Revoke. To maintain control over the account, review the users regularly and remove anyone who no longer needs access. This helps keep your account secure and prevents unauthorized changes. Speaking of changes, let's change focus a little. If you want to run product ads on Google, you need to link your Google Ads account to Google Merchant Center. In this video here, I'll show you a quick and easy way to connect your accounts. See you there.